Hello, it is very serious topic I want to address, that the scientists have warned massive earthquakes in the Himalayan region, which is aborigine humanscape in India and under repression as it is ruled by Armed Forces Special Power Act in most of the area. The entire Himalayan zone is captured by land mafia and promoter builder mafia, and Chipko movement is dead. The destruction is the topmost priority for the ruling hegemony, as uh, uh, the Himalayan zone has become the energy zone, and big dams are um, the cause of imminent dangers. The Nainital Lake region is under severe danger, and we have been warning against it, but the government and the people of India assume that the Himalayas region is cut up from the rest of India. The problems of Himalayas is the problem of India, but it is considered that it is only the problem of the Himalayan people. In the neighborhood, Nepal is also under turmoil, and at the same time it is uh, the resources for which the corporate capitalism is working in the region, and multinational companies are pouring uh, capital and black money to control the social activists. The environment movement is dead, and there is no way to save Himalaya, and it is just like a time bomb, ticking, ticking and ticking. The glaciers are melting for global warming, but deforestation has caused major dangers. Tehri Dam and other electricity projects are going to spell hell loose in the Himalayas. Garrison is going to be the capital of Uttarakhand, and it is going to replicate Gangtok, where you cannot walk without a car, and heavy construction in Gangtok as in Nainital are very dangerous for environment. The government of India is making policies in accordance to Corporate Lobbying, Land Acquisition Act, Mining Act, Forest Act, Seacoast Security Act, Citizenship Amendment Act, and 5th and 6th Schedule of Indian Constitution are being modified to accommodate corporate interest, and uh, extraction of resources have become the only motto for the market oriented governance. So it is very hard to stop the imminent danger. The massive earthquake in the Himalayan zone will not be a danger for the Himalayas only. It will be the danger for the subcontinent and for the planet also. It is also a water war crisis in the Himalayan region. The India and the subcontinent depend on water resources on Himalayas. Please be aware and mobilize Indian people and media. I want to talk to you all. Thank you.